Hi friends, in this session we'll see this question. Okay, so I'm reading question for you. Two books were bought for rupees 400 each. 10% profit was obtained on the first and 5% was on second. Find the net profit percent. He's asking. Okay, so simply he's asking like so one dealer bought uh, two books, one at 10% profit and another at 5% profit. Both took at the same cost price, that is 400 each. So remember this use case friends. If you are having these kind of questions in your examinations or any other competitive exams, so just try this method. It's very useful for you and it's also saves time for you. Okay, so here the cost price is the same. Okay, so there is a use case that is so here cost price is same for the both the books, that is 400. Okay, so what my point is to tell you is like if cost price is same, so there are some use case that is, so there are two different items. One is bought at one type of profit and another is bought at another type of profit. So in this case you just add these two. So x plus y by 2 percentage, so you'll be getting some percentage. So if you treat 10% as x% profit and 5% as y% profit, so you will be getting like x plus y by 2 percentage in the end. Okay, so in some cases they will be giving like one at some x% profit and another as some y% loss. So in that scenario you will be simply like subtracting both of them, so x minus y by 2% you will be getting in that kind of questions. So or in some situations they will be giving you 10% loss and 5% loss. Okay, so in that scenario what you do, you simply x plus y by 2, you simply uh, add the both the percentage and if it is end result would be plus, means you will be saying it as profit. If it is in negative you will say it as it is loss. So there are three use cases I told you now, so I'm writing for you here. So the first use case I told you is like if the one is profit, one is x% profit and another is y% profit, so you will read formula as x plus y by 2 percentage. Okay, one it is so this is the first use case. The second use case would be one product, one is bought at x% profit and another at y% loss, so we'll write the formula as x minus y by 2 percentage. Okay, so the third use case would be, so the third I told you is like both are bought at x% less and y% loss. So at this point you will do x plus y by 2 percentage. Okay, so if the end result is positive you will read it as profit percentage. If the end result is negative you will read it as, okay, you will read it as loss. So profit and loss. So I hope you understood these kind of problems. So simply I want to explain you this kind of model. So there is a awesome trick, you can use it at any point of time, so it will save time for you. So when it comes to this question, what they're asking, one at same cost price, one item bought at 10% profit and 5% profit. So he is asking find the net profit percent is asking. So what is the net profit? So it falls under first case. Okay, it falls under first case. So simply we need to add these two, 10% and 5%. So 10% plus 5% is going to be 15%. 15% by 2 is equal to 7.5% net profit is going to get in the end of the business. Okay, so I hope you understood this simple awesome trick. So simply I explained you, if the cost price is same for the two different bought items like 10% and 15%, 5%, so we simply sum up and divided by 2. So this is our net profit. Okay, and I explained you three kind of use cases and I hope you like this session. If you like this session, give like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Thanks for watching.